स्वच्छ भारत का इरादा इरादा कर लिया हमने, देश से अपने ये वादा कर लिया हमने। स्वच्छ भारत का इरादा इरादा कर लिया हमने, देश से अपने ये वादा कर लिया हमने।
स्वच्छ भारत का इरादा कर लिया हमने, देश से अपने ये वादा कर लिया हमने।
स्वच्छ भारत का इरादा इरादा कर लिया हमने, देश से अपने ये वादा कर लिया हमने।
हमसे निकलेगी स्वच्छता की एक नदी, छल 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 कल 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 एक धुली सी जिंदगी। स्वच्छता की जोत लेकर घर घर जाएंगे, साफ सुथरी रोशनी में सब नहाएंगे।
स्वच्छ भारत का इरादा
We, the cabinet members of Carmel Convent Senior Secondary School, pledge that we will do our best to contribute to the Swachhata Abhiyan. We will make minimum use of plastic and also encourage others to do so. We will make efficient use of water resources and maintain proper personal hygiene. We will be conscious about not throwing garbage on the road or anywhere else. From now onwards, it will be our foremost duty to keep our school, our home, our city and our country clean. Jai Hind.
वादा कर लिया हमने।
We can finally have our lunch now. Yeah, it's a lovely day.
Yeah, let's begin our lunch.
What is she doing? Yeah, why are you picking it up? It's not your home. No, it's not at all like what you are saying. We live in this country and it is our duty to keep it clean. Humans have given so much plastic to nature. It is not only harmful for humans but also the animals. And now situations have become so much worse. Humans are forced to wrap themselves in plastic.
Yeah, she's right. Due to this COVID era, the doctors are also wearing PPE kit, which are made up of plastic, and all the dead bodies are also being wrapped up in the plastic.
Yes.
It's a horrible sight. You all must follow all the COVID-19 guidelines.
Yeah, once I heard that plastic can cause animal death, but that time I ignored. But now I realize it.
Yes, plastic should be replaced by paper bags.
Yeah.
They can be recycled also. Moreover, it don't harm our environment.
Yes.
Let's clear the mess we have created.
Yes.
You can use paper bags instead of plastic bags.
Yeah, sure. And we promise we won't repeat it again.
Yes, that's very nice.
Reminding us.
प्लास्टिक का मत करो इस्तेमाल, अगर जिंदगी जीनी है खुशहाल।
That movie was so boring, I cannot even think of watching it a second time.
Yeah, it was just a waste of time.
It was better that I would have studied for that much time.
Excuse me, please don't throw garbage like this.
Why? It is none of your business.
Let us do what we are doing and go away.
No, I won't. This country is like my home and I have pledged to keep it clean, whether you support me or not. I will not let you to make this place dirty.
She is right. We should not grow ignorant towards our country cleanliness. After all, it is our motherland, and I promise that I will never throw the garbage on the road.
I praise you for this.
If I see anyone throwing wrappers, I will stop them and tell them not to do so.
I also agree with both of you. Let us pledge that not to throw garbage on the road and spread the message of Swachhata Abhiyan across India. आओ सब मिलकर कदम बढ़ाएं, भारत को हम स्वच्छ बनाएं।
My name is Ranvi Mittal from class 2D. My topic is hand washing. Wash your hands by every time. Let some steps and do it right. Step 1, wet hands. Step 2, apply soap. Step 3, rub your palm to palm. Step 4, rub between your fingers. Step 5, rub back of the hand. Step 6, the clean nails by rubbing them on palm. Step 7, wash hands. Step 8, dry hands. Thank you. Good morning, respected sister and teachers. My name is Akif Khan, 3rd D. Today I am going to share a video about how to stop the spread of coronavirus. Coronavirus is very infectious disease. Coronavirus can spread very rapidly. So stop spreading the virus by wash your hands with soap at least 20 to 30 seconds. Use your face mask. Use sanitizer and keep distance from others. 2 गज की दूरी का रखो ध्यान, यही है कोरोना का समाधान। Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hello everyone, myself Pranjal Sharma of class 11th is present here to express my views on the topic personal hygiene under Swachhata Pakhwada. Personal hygiene refers to keeping our surrounding clean. Keeping one's surrounding clean helps in bringing a positive attitude. Furthermore, health is the only wealth. Today's prime concern is maintaining self-good health. A clean and good environment results in better personal hygiene. Personal hygiene is always associated with virtuous character. Hence, the saying, cleanliness is next to godliness came into being. All great men of all ages have stressed on the importance of leading a clean and morally upright life for the attainment of all-round happiness. According to Rumford, effects of cleanliness extend to his moral character. Personal hygiene as a virtue has been part of the Indian culture since ancient times. Vedas have laid strict instructions for students and spiritual aspirants to observe cleanliness of body, mind, and thoughts for faster progress in self-actualization and enlightenment. Personal hygiene is an indispensable virtue of character without which the objectives of leading a healthy and happy life is impossible. According to Addison, cleanliness is a mark of politeness, as it produces affection and as it bears analogy to purity of mind. It makes us agreeable to others. Cleanliness is an excellent preservative of health, and several vices, destructive both to body and mind, are inconsistent with it. Personal hygiene is a much sought after virtue. It is not possessed by many. Personal hygiene not only makes you appealing and attractive, but it also keeps all types of infections, diseases, and contagions at bay. Personal hygiene is a challenging task. One really has to be quite active and dedicated.
Let us begin a wonderful campaign this year. To begin with is personal hygiene as an inner and outer whitewash. Keeping oneself neat and clean. Cleanliness of individual senses, eyes, ears, noses and tongues, minds, brains and the hearts and social surroundings. Signs of social health and hygiene. Brushing away all the social evils hidden inside human beings. Keep healthy and clean. Let us recall and begin with hygiene, Greek goddess of health, sanitation, and cleanliness. Let us begin a wonderful campaign. Hello everyone, myself Shruti Sharma. Here I am to apprise about the topic types of personal hygiene. Each person's idea of personal hygiene differs. These main categories are a useful place to start for building good hygiene habits. Shower hygiene. Showering with soap helps rinse away dead skin cells, bacteria and oils. You should also wash your hair at least twice a day. Shampooing your hair will protect your skin from the oily residues that can be irritable. Nail hygiene. Trim your nails regularly to keep them short and clean. Brush under them with a nail brush or washcloth to rinse away build-up, dirt and germs. One should also avoid biting nails. Teeth hygiene. Good dental hygiene is about more than just pearly white teeth. Caring for your teeth and gums can help preventing gum disease and cavities. You should not only brush your teeth twice a day, but also use an antibacterial mouthwash and also floss between your teeth regularly.
Hello everyone, I am Swarnika Suman and I am going to tell you how to create a personal hygiene routine. If you want to improve your personal hygiene, these strategies might be helpful. Set reminders. If you can't remember to do things like shower, wash your hair, clip your nails or brush your teeth, set a reminder on your phone. The cue will push you to the activity and over time you will begin to do it yourself. Use signs. Hang a reminder in the bathroom to wash your hands after using the toilet. Put a little sign by the plates or bowls in the kitchen to cue yourself to wash your hands before eating. These signs can help you jog your memory and improve your habits. They can help you both and your children. Practice makes perfect. It takes time to learn new habits. Start with a new habit at the beginning of the week and make it your priority. Practice it for a week or two. When you feel comfortable with it, add a new one. Over time, you will establish the habits you wish to have.